So let's talk about LinkedIn and engagement. How do we get more engagement on our LinkedIn posts and our LinkedIn content that we're sharing? So first of all, I want to talk generally, when we create some content for LinkedIn, we obviously want to create interesting content that's going to be relevant to our audience, and interesting or inspiring or knowledge sharing, ideally it would fit into one of those categories. So a piece of content that I've created here is talking about how sales and marketing are coming together to change the way that digital marketing it drives sales and lead generation for businesses. This is a piece of content that could be interesting for my audience, but as well as create the video, and in this case it's a native video of talking around this subject, the status area of the post provides some commentary around that video. Crucially, it's asking a question, because obviously to create engaging content, we want people to engage with it, and asking a question is one good way of doing that. You'll hear lots about hashtags. Using relevant hashtags inside LinkedIn posts does increase engagement. Here at MintTwist, we recommend using 3 relevant hashtags. You might have one hashtag that you use for lots of posts, and then the other 2 might be a bit more specific to the post itself. Once you've posted some content, video, image, or anything else, beginning the conversation by adding a comment against your own content is a good idea, particularly if you're asking questions or adding more value or adding more information. If you do that, you're more likely to engage other users from your own network and beyond. Here's another piece of content further down here, and as you'll see in this description, I'm having a discussion with one of my colleagues at MintTwist, and I've actually tagged him within the status, within the commentary on that post. I've also tagged the relevant company page. So let's talk about the difference when we talk specifically about LinkedIn video, and LinkedIn video is definitely a very, very effective way of increasing engagement for your LinkedIn profile. The LinkedIn algorithm is certainly paying close attention to video, but crucially, it's making quite a strong distinction between what we call native video and what would be video that's hosted on another platform, normally YouTube. So let's go and have a look at the MintTwist company page over here. So first of all, we've got a piece of video content that MintTwist have created that is hosted on YouTube, and this particular post links to that YouTube post. If we look at the statistics here, we can see that it's got 246 impressions, a click-through rate of 1.2%, an engagement rate of 2.8%. Not bad, but let's have a look at a native video, the same or similar native video that was posted on the same company page. We can see that the total number of impressions is actually twice as much, more than twice as much. The number of views, the impressions to view is very large, that's approaching 80%. The click-through rate, engagement rates are similar, but the reach of this content is significantly higher. So we can, and here at MintTwist, colleagues and myself have been testing this for a while, and there's plenty of evidence that say native videos on LinkedIn get at least twice the reach and therefore twice the net engagement than an externally hosted video on YouTube or any other channel would get. The final thing to say, I suppose, is more general advice. LinkedIn has moved and continues to move towards becoming much more of a community-based platform. So this is individuals who have professional interests in a certain niche getting together and engaging with each other's content. So working on your community, providing insights and knowledge that's relevant to you and those who work in same or similar niches as yourself is the way to approach this. So don't be afraid to get personal on this channel. Having said that, there's also a place for corporate communications, and these are the company pages on LinkedIn, but these are also increasingly about community and increasingly about sharing content. So having corporate communications on a company page, having personal insights and ideas on a personal page, and linking appropriately between the two is what we here at MintTwist would advise. Until next time, happy LinkedIn marketing. And do remember, if you've got any comments or if you've got any ideas that you would like to share with the community, please post them on the comments below. We'll look forward to hearing from you and speaking with you soon on LinkedIn.